The TVAPP-00231 error on the Xfinity Stream app is a common playback issue that can prevent content from playing. One cause is digital rights management, or DRM. DRM protects content by encrypting streams, ensuring only authorized users can access it. The error can occur when DRM fails due to corrupted app data or regional restrictions. Another cause is cache overload. Cache is temporary data stored on your device to speed up app performance. When cache builds up, it can cause conflicts with playback and lead to the TVAPP-00231 error. The error can also occur from exceeding device limits. Xfinity allows up to 10 devices per account for concurrent streaming. Going over this limit will trigger the TVAPP-00231 error. Understanding these core elements is key to troubleshooting this issue. To fix TVAPP-00231, start by resetting app permissions on your device settings. This clears any corrupted access rights that might interfere with DRM. Next, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection with at least 25 Mbps for smooth 4K streaming, as unstable connections can trigger DRM errors. Regularly clear the Xfinity Stream app's cache, ideally monthly, as buildup can cause DRM conflicts and prevent up to 70% of these errors. Verify you haven't exceeded your device limit by logging into your Xfinity account portal and deauthorizing unused devices. If the previous steps don't resolve TVAPP-00231, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Xfinity Stream app to refresh all data. Disable any VPNs, as they can disrupt DRM protocols and cause the TVAPP-231 error. Finally, ensure ad blockers are disabled, as they can interfere with DRM and trigger the error.